Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm calling all the Christians in America. I am watching one of our brother. He's a black guy. He's making preach on his church, and he's talking about against Donald Trump. He's a racist. Donald Trump is not a racist. Obama, who is the demonic president, former demonic president America have, is the one who is the wicked against the blacks. What did Obama did in America? Obama said his father come from Africa. What did Obama bring to Africa? Only what Obama did to come and kill Gaddafi. I'm not a Muslim. All the foreign policy when Obama is ruling is all his policy about Africa is wrong, demonic. Obama come to give us gay, lesbian, abortion. Obama come and connive with French President Sarkozy, kill Gaddafi. Obama come and give us Muhammad Buhari. Why people are dying in Nigeria every day? Fulani herdsmen are killing people every blessed day. That man who is a pastor in America is preaching against Trump. Trump mean everything good for Christians. Let me just, we black in America, we always move with emotion. Trump mean well for us. Trump mean well for America. He said America first. Trump love every America. Trump is not a racist. Do you know what you are going to pass through if this the wife of Bill Gates, Clinton win? If that woman win, I think we will be in hot soup, even if in Africa. I'm calling, moreover, I'm not a Nigerian, I am a Biafran. I'm calling all Christians from Africa to vote for Donald Trump. Donald Trump, okay, all the Africans, watch what is happening in Cameroon and Bazonia. Obama is there when those things started happening. What did Obama did? Obama removed his eyes because of Obama have swear to destroy Africa. What is happening in Bazonia now? Bazonia is about to have their own state, their own country. When did it happen? In the time of Trump. The peace is coming to Cameroon. That's why the Biafrans, we are looking for our own nation. So, you want Trump to close his mouth, seeing you protesting, destroying people's property. If I have business here, you are protesting because of a black man died, nobody supported it. Trump didn't support the black man to police. Is it the Trump who send that policeman to kill? Look at the policeman is killing a black man, puts hand in his own pocket. He's boasting to kill a black man. Didn't you know that you can be Obama and the wife of Bill Clinton to arrange that killing to destroy Trump government? I am warning the blacks, if this party, I don't know, a Republican or Democrat, if the party of the wife of Bill Clinton enter their wife, if blacks, you are done, you are finished. God will use Trump to buy us time. You don't know what God have done for us to give us Trump. And I'm calling all Amazonians, all blacks, all Christians in America to vote for Donald Trump. Let me just tell you, Africans, Donald Trump mean well for us. Africans living in America, forget those ones who they say that they are American-born citizens, those ones who is speaking their Fune there, those American blacks there. I am calling the ones they're born in Africa who travel to America and settle down there. I'm urging you people to vote for Donald Trump. Donald Trump mean well for us. Yorubas, Igbos, the Christians, vote for Donald Trump. Donald Trump mean well for us. Donald Trump will help to divide Nigeria. Nigeria is not working. Look at that. Only one person died in America. Only one person. They are protesting. When Fulani Mietiala is killing people, thousands in village, wiping villages. Only one person. You are coming out to condemn Trump. Trump, is it Trump? Do you think that Trump will come and destroy his government? Do you want to tell me that it is Trump who is the one who sent that policeman? Trump doesn't have anything to put himself inside this problem. Trump didn't send this man to kill. And even Trump is not the chief judge who is going to judge. Only what Trump will do is to condemn that this is barbaric killing. And the people want to hijack the protest to destroy America. The job of a president is to defend America. Trump loves everybody in America. So any pastor who is coming to say something against Donald Trump, I will make sure I will encounter your bad word against Trump. Trump mean well. We Christians in Africa. Let me just tell you, Trump mean well for us. You pastors, Bill Gates and his demonic new world order, they plan and bring with China, send this coronavirus to us. All the churches, for you to go to church and praise God, you can't go there. Is the Trump give order the churches to start, and you want to be against this man who love God. You pastors, you are going to Israel to go to where God will write in the Bible, say that the Jerusalem is the capital of Israelite. Obama come and see that and cross as a Muslim. Obama cannot do something to offend the Muslim tribe. Only Trump come and implemented what God said. And you people are going against Trump? I don't go to church. Maybe this, I am not a religion fanatic. No. Trump mean well for us. I am urging all Nigerians, people who call them, I'm not a Nigeria, people who can say that they're Nigeria, vote for Donald Trump. Donald Trump will win again. Donald Trump will win again. Any black man, any black pastor who doesn't understand, who doesn't see far, we always see, we just move with emotion. We against anybody who will be against Donald Trump. Donald Trump will win again. And I pray Donald Trump will win. I am tired of to live in Europe. Daddy. I am tired of to live in Western world. I want to go back home and I need Biafra.
Daddy.
My boy.
Daddy,
thank you.